Hello, hi. Today we will discuss about the student life and their maintenance. How to maintain their life to throughout the day, and how to prepare the study, and how to prepare their subjects, and how to increase their knowledge. So first of all, I want to say that. Uh, they if you will adopt with the timetable, if you are adopting the timetable, for example, your sport and your extracurricular activity is the separate things, which that is also important throughout your life. So you should maintain with the extracurricular activity or your hobby, and also you will maintain yourself basically with the education background. For example, if you are playing something, for example, you are playing you are want to playing some games, so that's time you can manage. For example, you are getting the 24 hours throughout the day, so basically your sleeping time should be 8 hours, and after the 8 hours, after the sleeping to awaking early in the morning. So after you will awake, so the awaking time you will prepare the first the study. So the first morning time is the more active brain. So that is why during the fresh time you will study, and after the study you will go to the school. And basically when you will go to the school, so that is very energy consumption time, so that will be a very difficult process, and you will lose your energy, all energy. And after this you will go back into the home, and after you will go back into the home, and you will manage yourself, just a rest and taking a break, taking a meal. Basically that is the lunch, and after the breakfast you will get the lunch. And after the lunch you can get academic area, and you can get academic session in the home, or you can go outside for getting knowledge through a lecture. So that is another things. And if you don't like this, so you can live in home. And if you want to, basically if you want to go out for playing something, so you can also go. And that is I am recommending to you for managing yourself with your life. So first of all, I want to say that you will manage the time with a timetable, and you can make a script for understanding and taking time for different works and different things for different time. So manage the time. Everybody contain a different mind, so their mind on the basis of activation by the time wise. Some people activate their minds or their brain activity during the early in the morning, while some can enhance the mind activity during the night time. So that is depend person to person. So this is my suggestion for you. Manage your time, and when you manage your time, your basically this is for managing your study time. So when you will manage your study time, so all things can be possible, and manage all things and all activities, extracurricular works and hobby, or something which can be possible. So that's all is you should need to understand and make a script for getting the timetable for learning, and that is the important for you. And when you are basically getting the precious time taking serious, so you can do that. So I hope you are getting these things, which that is important. And I am just every time giving you a suggestion for getting the knowledge and getting learning process, how to learn and how to achieve your goal. For example, if you are in O level or A level, you can do that. And when you do that, so believe me, you can be a successful in throughout your education career. So bye.